The risk of DIC is maximum in missed abortion. The main indication of prostaglandin use in abortion is missed abortion. The safest drug for abortion up to 9 weeks is misoprostol plus mifepristone. Vacuum aspiration is contraindicated in septic abortion. Incomplete abortion presents with severe pain and heavy bleeding. In septic abortion, broad-spectrum antibiotics are given before evacuation. Most common organism causing septic abortion is Escherichia coli. The earliest USG sign of missed abortion is absent fetal heart rate. The gold standard for diagnosing missed abortion is ultrasonogram. Abortion induced to save mother's life is therapeutic abortion. Abortion performed on patient's request without medical causes is elective abortion. Habitual abortion due to uterine septum is treated by mastoplasty. The commonest causes of abortion in second trimester is called cervical incompetence. Best time to do cerclage operation is 12 to 14 weeks. Pregnancy loss before implantation is called chemical pregnancy. Most common symptom of incomplete abortion is severe vaginal bleeding. The clinical sign of septic shock in abortion is low blood pressure and rapid pulse. Which type of abortion carries risk of tetanus infection? Induced septic abortion. The earliest complication of unsafe abortion is hemorrhage. Late complication of unsafe abortion is all of the above. The most effective emergency management of incomplete abortion is IV fluid plus evacuation. Vaginal expulsion of fetus without intervention is spontaneous abortion. Habitual abortion due to luteal phase defect is treated by progesterone therapy. Medical abortion success rate with mifepristone plus misoprostol is 90 to 95%. Abortion due to uncontrolled diabetes is spontaneous abortion. Incomplete abortion with heavy bleeding is managed first by IV fluids and resuscitation. Anencephaly is associated with spontaneous abortion. Ultrasound sign of complete abortion is empty uterine cavity. Septic abortion patient with shock should be managed by IV fluids plus antibiotics plus evacuation. Habitual abortion due to antiphospholipid syndrome is treated by aspirin plus heparin. Most common site of uterine rupture in unsafe abortion is lower segment. The safest method of abortion in the first trimester is vacuum aspiration. Thanks for watching my videos. Plus share করবেন সবাই বেশি বেশি।